Hello YouTube, I'm Dylan, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you all how to draw the arch enemy of the X-Men, Magneto. So get yourself a nice piece of paper, a good pencil, and we'll get started. So, I'm going to draw just his head and shoulders. So I'm going to start with a simple circle that's about the size of a baseball, you might say. And remember, you're always drawing very loose and lightly at first. And then we're going to draw the sides of his chin. It's okay if you're not, and they're going to go like this. And then you're going to put in a line down here. That's where the middle of his face will be. A line across to know where his eyes will fall. A line for his nose, and a line for his mouth. Then we're going to put neck and shoulder lines here. That's where his cape will be. Okay, then we need to draw his eyes. You don't have to make them too big, because if you remember, he's got a helmet on. So we got to save room for that. And then we need to draw his eyebrows. And they go like this. We're kind of giving him an angry expression, but not too angry. Get this eyebrow here. And then we're going to draw his nose. Which goes like this. And then you draw this line here for the bridge. Maybe put this brow line here too. Maybe a little further. Then you're going to draw this side line here. And another one here. Then you're going to draw like an upper lip. And then his mouth. It's going to be an M shape. That goes like this. A stretched out M. And then this is his lower lip. Then you can put the pupils. We're going to have them at the right so he's like looking that way. And before we get to any other part of his face, we also need to draw his iconic red and purple helmet. So you're going to draw these, goes like around his face. The sides of it do anyway. And then there are these straight lines. Then if you want, you can also draw a line there. That's one slightly curved. And then once you've reached these close enough to the top, you're going to draw this V shape. Yep. And then you're going to repeat the process of you're going to draw this like stripe pattern around it. Make sure it's a little bit thin near the middle of the masking area. It's almost like a Spartan helmet from the medieval times. Then you're going to raise these lines down. Then we're going to finish off this side, and there's a stripe at the bottom too, so you'll draw that. Then we need to make this side longer. And we need to draw another line on this side for the back of his helmet. And then, let's just go ahead and lightly draw the top. You can darken this. Just lightly indicate the top of his helmet. And then you're going to draw this kind of a almost like a half oval shape of some sort. So you just draw that. And then it has these like sort of wings that stick out. So you're going to draw these M shapes, sideways M's on both sides. Then you're going to darken the top line that we put earlier. So we got that. Now we can go ahead and darken in his chin. Then you're going to get his necklines. You're going to get the back side of his neck here. You're going to get his shoulder right down here. Then you draw the lower part of his neck. You're going to connect that all the way to the back here. Then we repeat that U shape we put on the bottom side. It follows the shape that we put. Connect it all the way there. Then you're going to draw these ovals that go all around it. They're like bolts. There's one here. Then you'll put another one up here. And then last but not least, you're going to draw these upper chest lines. And there you have it. That is Magneto. I hope you all had fun. Please make sure you like, subscribe for more, and I'll see you next time. Bye.